all the things yet to come.
I don't see the humor here, guys.
Light it up.
You guys are goofing off there.
Mr. Costello should be thankful that we behave the way we do here, because if he saw us out in public, he'd run.
I'm trying to see. He's reckless.
He's a rebel.
He is.
Did you guys say anything to him when he was going by? Or?
We gave him dirty looks.
Yeah. We just kept going.
Like that. Yeah.
Well, you don't believe us?
Of course I believe you guys.
So you just need the proof.
Yeah.
Okay.
Makes sense. Hey, look, there's people in the trees. Nerds.
English is the easiest language because that's the first language there was. It was the first language. No, it was the first language. It was the first language. For the rest of the day, I'm gonna be Lorraine. That's who I'm gonna be. A good Lorraine, sweet, happy Lorraine.
Excuse me, Mr. Wilkie.
What?
Ain't the girl.
No, it turns them off completely. Take two. Let's try again.
Excuse me, Mr. Wilkie. Excuse me, Mr. Wilkie.
What? Jermichael.
That's the victim. Well, it's a girl that I like messing with. I don't like her, but she fun to mess with. And I keep on harassing her, throwing paper at her. And I like when she laughs. Hold on.
Jermichael harasses me every day, and he'd call me white girl.
Jermichael? Why are we calling her white girl?
Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, hi!
Jermichael's apology was not sincere. I think it was because this is a young lady that he's entertaining romantic thoughts about.